Hey guys, it's William here, and today I'm going to be focusing on my Nerf gun collection. So here it is. If my brother would focus it on all the Nerf guns, that'd be great. Show him off all the Nerf guns, Jesse. I mean, not Jesse, it's not your name. Front row, show him this, this, and this. Okay? You could move. You could move around the room, dude. Go so fast. But okay. Anyway, we're going to be testing all these Nerf guns, showing you guys them and shooting them. First to start off with, the Retaliator.
What are you going to shoot?
I'm just going to shoot my wall over there. So, I'm going to sit right here, dude. Can you focus on me?
And the bullet.
Yep. So you can see I have like a little sight here. First I'm going to show off the gun. There's a little sight on the attachment barrel. So you can see. There's also a little grip you can take off. Let's place that back on. Technical difficulties. Okay. Put this on the old-fashioned way, I guess. Okay, that's how it's going to be for now. The barrel comes off. As you can see, that turns into a little short gun. This video is going to be fairly short, I guess. Step back. There's also a clip. Can't take it off right now, though. And also, there's an adjustable stock. Place it back on and shoot it. Oh, whoops. One sec, we got jammed, I think. Oh, bubble shot. That's all the bullets. Okay, let me just get these bullets. I'm gonna put this gun aside because I don't want to have to load these guns all up on camera. That would take like 10 million years to upload. Even though it already does with my higher quality camera. Okay, so gun one's out of the way. Let's start. Wait. Last one. Now we're on to the burger. That's what it looks like. It's just a red giant hunk of red. We'll be trying it out. It has 3 shots. This is like the little part it takes of the bullets. Burger bullets. Let's shoot it. Jeez. You capturing this? Ow. Well, that one's done for. Set it over here. It's fine. Just set it over. Next up, we have the Fire Strike Elite. If any of you guys play Call of Duty Ghosts, I call this the PDW. Because it looks like a PDW. There's one bullet to it. Absolutely sucks. The silencer. You have to shoot it really fast, because if you shoot it really slow like this, you guys, it'll just go like... Actually, you know what? Since it is a light reloader, we're going to try and say, let me shoot the camera. Not you, cameraman. The camera. Whoever's watching is like, what the heck was that? It's going to be me shooting the camera. Oh, okay. There's one. These bullets are different. These have camo bullets. This is the Battle Strike. I mean, Battle Scout. Sorry. It's a gun. This is the clip to it. It's a pretty weird looking clip if you ask me.
Yeah.
Dude. Let's shoot this bad boy. Oops. Made a mistake. Fix it. Don't be dumb like me, kids. Don't look down the barrel of the gun. You might. There goes the clap. We gather all these bullets up. Perfect. Probably not going to see my face much, you guys, but that's okay. Wait, there we go. Next gun, Predator. Air Warrior. Personally, I love this one. This is actually just the attachment. For the sake of the video, I already broke out the plastic stuff out of it because I thought it sucked because it's all plasticky and blurry and stuff. This is the gun itself. It's a bolt-action sniper rifle. Has a secret compartment in the back filled with bullets. We'll be firing this thing. Only one bullet though. Actually, no, we'll fire all of them. Go. Look at the wall, dude. Oh man, it's just fell off. But if you guys if our cameraman captured that, he might have.
I did.
Oh, nice. You guys saw that the sticky dart was stuck to the wall. That's all we're gonna do for this one. We only have 3 guns left, you guys. We'll do the same for this shotgun. 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 One sec, you guys. Jesse, look at this. Top brick didn't work.
Yeah. It landed under the bed.
Here's that, you guys. If any of you play Borderlands, this is kind of like a Borderlands shotgun-ish. Thingamabob. We're going to be shooting this bad boy with light on. Try to get this aim up. You guys can see there's an aim on this bad boy. Let's use it. Oh, nice, we hit.
I captured that.
Okay, guys, last 2 guns. Normal gun, Jolt. That's the end. Jolt. Guys, give me your comments. Comment down below. What was your favorite gun? I'll tell you all the guns at the end of the video. Here's this. The one that has the most bullets, I believe. Let me count. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait. 6. Never mind, I stand corrected. Let's try this bad boy. This one's called the Flip Fury. There's one clip. That's all I'm going to show you guys. But thank you guys so much for watching. And I hope you enjoyed it. And please hit that subscribe button if you're there. And tap the little bell next to it that goes ding once you touch it. And also, I hope you guys had a great Valentine's Day. My friend made this for me out of crayon. So, I'm going to be showcasing this in one episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So, bye.